Meaning of DVD writer.
DVD writer.
DVD writer.
DVD writer.
DVD writer. A DVD writer is an optical storage device used for reading and writing information to blank DVD discs. It uses a laser to read and write data on the disc's surface. The term writer indicates that it has the capability to write or record data onto a blank DVD, as opposed to just reading or playing back data from a pre-recorded DVD. DVD writers are commonly used in home and professional settings for backing up important data, sharing videos and movies, and creating custom DVDs.